Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are comparing BingX versus Binance to find out which crypto trading platform is better. If you are into crypto trading, you have likely wondered which one to use, Binance or BingX. So in this video, we will quickly compare both platforms, their features and which one might be better for you. First, Binance is one of the oldest and most trusted crypto exchanges in the world. It offers a huge range of coins, spot and future trading, and strong security. However, in India, it is regulated, which means users need to follow tax rules and pay around 30% tax on profits, along with trading fees on every transaction. Now coming in BingX, it is global trading platform that is popular for its simple interface and copy trading feature. Where beginners can follow expert traders, many users also prefer it because it feels easier to use and offers flexible trading options like spot, future, and P2P. So basically, Binance is more established and regulated, while BingX is more beginner friendly with copy trading features. At the end, it depends on your choice, security and trust versus simplicity and convenience. That's it for today's video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more crypto content.